Hi, my name is Robin Barkus, and I do apologize for not being there in person to meet you all tonight, but I will be teaching you about the living world around you this year, biology. Biology is the study of life and living organisms, and what you learn in this class, you will definitely be able to apply to yourself and the world. So, for honors biology, we will be using the Pearson's Miller-Levine biology book and be covering everything from biochemistry to macroevolutionary patterns and anything else in between. The good news is you won't have to carry this cumbersome book around with you because this book will be loaded onto your iPad. The iPad version of this book has some very unique interactive features like videos, three-dimensional shapes that you can move around, and also videos that show some of the important processes that happen in our natural world. All this capability lends it to be one of the best books on biology that I have ever seen. Let me tell you a couple of things next about my teaching technique. Some of you may already be familiar with this term, but what I practice in my class is called a flipped classroom, which means that for homework you will be required to watch and take notes on the video lectures online. You'll be able to find the lectures either through what we call Blackboard, which is what the university uses to communicate assignments and grades with the students, or you can also go onto YouTube and find them. By making these videos, this allows you the time to stop, take really good notes, and to rewind and review any concepts that may not make sense to you the first time. So then when you come to biology class, since you've already listened to the lecture and taken good biology notes, then you should have a fairly good understanding of the concepts, which we will then review. The in-class review usually takes about 30 minutes of our class time, and then the rest of the class time is devoted to working on the labs and assignments, which of course apply to the lessons covered and support your learning. I encourage you to complete the lesson assignments by working with others in small groups, because some of the best conversations and learning comes from working and talking with your peers. Okay, so you may be wondering, what will I be doing during that time? Well, my job is to roam the room checking on you. I'll be asking you if you have any questions, or I might be asking you and your group members comprehension questions. I'll also be checking your notes, your classroom assignments, and labs for accuracy and completion. What does this boil down to? Well, basically, like at the university, in order to be successful, you have to be a responsible, motivated learner that wants to be successful. You cannot afford to procrastinate anything. Trust me, if you do, you will fall behind, and playing catch-up is very difficult, if not impossible. For example, if you watch one of my videos and you really just don't get it, then you need to be smart about it and ask yourself what you need to work on to make sure you do understand it. Perhaps you need to watch the video again or read the book, and if that does not work, then you can always ask me, and I'll be happy to help you. So my hope for you all this year is that you will find biology interactive and fun, and of course, I know you will learn a lot. I look forward to meeting you all in August.